Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Mohim. Today we are going to unboxing Veger Power Bank. This is 5000 mAh power bank, 20 watt, type C output, portable size plus LED indicator. And let's open the box and find out what we're gonna get inside. Inside the box we get one accessory box, one welcome guide, user manual, quality pass certificate I can say, and 2 power banks. Let's open the box and let's see what accessories we're gonna get. And inside the box we can get 2 small USB to type C cables. I think this is for the charging the power bank, or you can charge your phone with this. Put aside and let's see in the user guide. In user guide is just a normal instruction. So yeah, you can charge the actual power bank with those cables, and you can just connect directly the power bank in your phone. So we don't need this one because it is a plug and play. So let's see the actual product. So with the first look, the power bank is really nice, really small, and you can see the build quality. This is all the plastic, but still the build quality looks like it's worth it, really it's worth it. And over here on top they put the cover for the type C. So we already saw on the box each power bank a 5000 mAh battery in it. Over here if you can see they mentioned the 5000 mAh power bank, 18.5 volt, the USB-C is 5 volt with 2 ampere, 9 volt with 2 ampere USB-C converter, and these also support the 20 watt output. And over here on top of this one, there is the USB type C with the written in. So this one is for the charging the power bank itself. And on this side they put one button. We can press one button, and over here you can see the LED light. It will show how battery left in this power bank, or if it's charging. So let's charge this power bank with the power bank. So while charging is showing like this, and its blue indicator is come on. So it's charging, is blinking the light while it's charging, and when they provide the charging it stays. So this is the providing the charge, and while charging it's blinking. Talking about the weight and itself, is really very lightweight. We're talking about the texture. It's really nice texture, it's nice grip. Yeah, because it's really small design, it's not showing any display how many percentage, but we don't need the percentage because it's also use the battery to show you the percentage, because these small LEDs are not taking that much battery. So it's really nice. It's 5000 mAh fast charger. Let's connect this one to the phone and test it out how it's working on phone. This one I have S23 Ultra. Let's connect in phone. So in the phone you can see the fast charging. This phone is fast charging supported, and this power bank is also a output fast charging, 20 watt fast charging, and it's also 5000 mAh battery. And this phone has nearly 4000 mAh battery. So this power bank, it's enough to charge your phone fully. Plus you can use this phone, it's really the same size of the phone, so you can use with it. You don't need to worry about the cable, you don't need to worry about when you're gonna keep this power bank. You just need to, this is also just a plug and play. You just need to plug your power bank and it will work. This 2-pack power bank you can get from Amazon. It will cost around £25. I'll put the link in the description. If you want to buy, you can click it and you can buy it from there. It is in Amazon, sometimes it's on sale, so that you can get more cheaper. And that's it in this video. Just like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.